Farm's been here since 1961. Dad is third generation, I'm fourth generation. We farm about 2,700 acres, 800 of it roughly is in potatoes. Probably the biggest challenge is our labor for us. The packing shed manager and I used to stack 100-pound bags of potatoes. We can't find anybody to stack 50-pound bags of potatoes. They're just finding reliable labor that wants to come to work every day to do that kind of physical work has been almost impossible.
Because it does take out your shoulders or back, and it makes it a long day, and then day in and day out, 5 days a week.
We were kind of at the turning point of, do we continue to pack potatoes or do we just kind of give that up? We sat down and went to dinner with Harm and really got pretty serious about what we wanted to do. They understood the scale that we're at. There are sheds 20 miles away from us that have 6 or 8 palletizers in them. Right, for us, it was a big deal to have one. They were very understanding and very capable of helping us find what made the most sense for us. And the space that they fit that in to go through our little funky opening and come out where we wanted to on the other side was resourceful and necessary.
They explained as much as they possibly could to somebody very green as me, not knowing anything about any kind of stacker or this kind of electronics. If I call, questions are answered, or if I needed a program, they made that program. Hey, can you do that? Oh, yeah, 10 minutes or 15, I'll have it done. And it didn't take long, and he had it all figured out, and I watched him do it on the screen, and the way it went.
Having the uniformity that the Palletizer produces is I think, a really nice selling point.
The Palletizer stacks it so neat that human stacking is at least a foot taller. So when going on the truck, it's not gonna shift, move, rip bags. It's tied tight. Everything looks nice.
When the receiver opens that up, it makes a big difference, right? Any excuse they have to question why this load should be accepted or paid full price, we're trying to avoid all those things. Because we're smaller and don't run you around, we're working, day 2, 3 ahead is really all we typically work. Each day it changes, and so we have to have the flexibility.
For the Palletizer, I had to have at least 3 or 4 more guys stacking.
The reality that it's there every day and ready to work can't be overstated really in the labor market now.
I don't have to go, well, is so-and-so going to show up, or is he going to be here till noon and then have to go do something? I can know how many loads I can do for sure that day.
It's made us really recognize our bottleneck on the packaging and the baling side. Because the machine handles so well, we're not using its full capacity, which we knew we weren't going to do initially.
The fastest I've had it going was 65-70% with 2 machines feeding it.
It wouldn't take much for us to get beyond that, where we'd need a second one. And yeah, at this point, I'd be very comfortable, and that would be my first call, certainly, to Symach for a second one if we wanted to do that.
It is well worth its weight in gold just because things just go smoother because it's there.